Welcome back to PP tutorials, and today we will learn about tracker. Okay, so today we will learn attendance tracker. I will show you how to create the attendance tracker, how can we add the present formula, how we can calculate unplanned shrinkage, planned shrinkage, and how we can calculate the unplanned leave, week off, holidays, week offs or holidays, how we can calculate the attendance. We will learn that, and along with that we will create the dashboard. So first of all, what I have done here is, and before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, check on the playlist. You will find 200 plus videos that will help you in cracking the interviews related to TLs, operation manager, quality analyst, trainer, Six Sigma certification, MS Excel dashboards, reports, people management, trainers. Many more videos are there that will help you in cracking the interview. So today we will start the concept, that is on how to create the attendance tracker. So guys, my funda is very specific. We just want to see how frequently we can add the things in a way of automation, or else I can say formulated sheets. So first thing what I have done is, I had gone through some information here considering the employee ID, and I took 20 associates, like associate 1 to associate 20, and 10 agents are reporting to TL1 and 10 agents are reporting to TL2. Same manager 1, manager 2, and we have certain locations like Bangalore and Hyderabad, and we do also have a workflows like workflow 1, workflow 2. So why I created this particular sheet here is, now I'm creating the attendance tracker. I added March 1st data here, and I want to add their attendance. What happens in April month, any of the agents move to any other team leader example, then you no need to do changes in the entire Excel sheet. If you do changes in the headcount file, automatically the changes will get reflected in the entire attendance tracker. Okay, so what are we doing here is, let's add the details. So first what I will do is, I will add the TL name automatically with the help of VLOOKUP. Equal to VLOOKUP, I believe you guys know this, how to add the VLOOKUP, and just choose the employee ID, because the one thing is very clear, the employee ID cannot be changed, that will remains as unique. Okay, go to headcount, choose the employee ID, then 1 2 column 3 comma 0. This is the way of adding the VLOOKUP. If you don't know, I will add a separate video on how to add the VLOOKUP, guys. Okay, just drag this formula to the last. Done. You will find all the TL got added. The one what I was explaining here is, suppose you added multiple data and we got to know that associate 5 moved to Pravesh example. Okay, associate 5 move to Pravesh. If I do changes in my headcount file, automatically everything will get updated in my attendance tracker. So I no need to update manually anywhere. Just if I update my headcount file, everything will get changed. So this will help you guys. That is the main reason I am adding all the things in the way of formulation. Okay, let me copy this and let me paste it here. Okay, I did not add the manager name, that is the reason it's showing like this. No worries, we will just go with the location directly. Okay, so equal to VLOOKUP, then we will again choose employee ID comma, and then I'll go to employee ID again, and 1 2 3 4 comma 4 comma 0, sorry 5 comma 0. It is at a 5th row. Okay, you can see location got added. If you copy this and if you paste it here, the LOB will also get added, and drag this formula to the last. In this way we'll drag this formula to the last. Now we can see that for our attendance tracker, these three things are created: TL, location, and LOB. If I am changing anything here, automatically my attendance, my names will get also changed. If I want to update their TL, their locations, their workflows, if they are moving to another workflow, automatically everything get changed. Now if suppose you want to keep it manual, yes, you can keep manual also, it's up to you guys. Okay, let's move to the next point. I want to add the week. You remember guys, few days back I created a video on how to add week startings. Let's consider an example. Few company will consider their week startings from Monday Few companies will consider their week starting from Sunday. So what I consider here is I have a fixed week of Saturday Sunday, and I am creating my week starting as in Monday. Okay, and how to add that formula? All this formula I have added here, guys. Okay, and I will add in the description also. Just what you have to do is, whenever I will try to add the sheet even, so that it will give you a great help in order to create the dashboard. If not, whatever columns I have added, I would request everyone, whenever you create a sheet, add the columns with the same title and same name, so that if you copy the formula from this particular point, the one which I'm adding in the one which I will add in the description also, just copy this formula of week off and come here and paste it. If you do that, automatically, sorry, control V, it will work, guys. Let me drag this formula to the last. Done. I will give you one more example. So today you can see our date is 30 March, right? Let me add date as 30 March. Now for 30 March, you can see here it got changed to 31st March. Sorry, my miss. Let me go to 26th. You can see here 24th March will be the week starting. Understood, guys? So automatically they will consider Monday as in week starting. So I believe A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You understood the columns till J, and how this week formula added. It's quite easy, guys. This WS I just added as in text. You can see here it's just added as in text. Then I added a formula considering text along with the weekday, and I have chosen +2, which means it will give me answer as Monday as a week starting, and I have chosen formula formatting as DD MMM, which will give me result in the form of 24th Feb. You can see here I will get date and I'll get month. So in this way this formula was created. I will add it in description so that you will get the help in order to understand this. Now next we'll go with the H column. In the H column, it's nothing, guys. If you know the conditional formatting, just add all the names here, like present, absent, unplanned, planned leave, half day, week off, holiday. I am requesting everyone, whenever you create this dashboard, I would request everyone to add in the same manner, guys. Same spelling, same spacing, everything, so that your dashboard will work very easily. Okay, conditional formatting I am not explaining you, guys. I believe we all know how to create the conditional formatting. If not, I will add the link in the comment section also, so that you can learn how to add the conditional formatting. Now let's move to the next, which is present. How the present formula got calculated. Okay, now for the present formula, it basically depends on the H row. If suppose if I add present, it will give me 1. If I add absent, it will give me 0. If I add unplanned, it will give me 0. If I add half day, it will give me 0.5. Don't go with J and K, guys. I will explain one by one. So you understood, guys. This present column is completely dependent on the attendance column. If you want to learn the formula, let me double click and I'll show you. If my H2, which means this attendance column, is equal to P, then give me 1. If H2 is absent, give me 0. If H2 is planned leave, see, you can see whatever columns we have, I have taken everything here and I have given a value. For half day I have given 0.5. Now you require this formula even. Same, the formula is added here. Okay, for the present I will add the same formula in the description also, guys, so that you can copy paste it directly. So this is the present formula. Now let's move to the week formula. Leave formula. Now in the leave, what I have done is, so it's basic, guys. What if I have the holiday or week off? If it is week off, then that is but obvious that it is not a leave, right? It is not a leave, or it is not a present also. Definitely I should get 0 at both the place. For present, automatically it will give me 0, because you can see here in the formula I have already added, if week off equal to, if H2 is week off, then it should return me as 0, right? In the same way, for the leave I created one formula. Okay, you can see here, if or condition, H2 is week off or holiday. There will be two conditions wherein we don't have any attendance there. So if you find this situation, it will return me 0. Otherwise it will return me 1 minus I2, which means minus leave. So this is also done. Let's move to the next one, which is attendance percentage. How attendance percentage got calculated? Simple guys, I just want to calculate how many what is the percentage of the attendance. Okay, which means if it is a present, definitely I will get 100%. If it is the absent or unplanned leave or anything, it will give me 0%. Now if it is the half day, it will give me 0.5, which is 50% attendance. So this we are calculating for the individual agent, and if we drag it to the last and if we take the pivot table, we'll get the average also. Now how this formula worked? The formula is again easy guys, let me show you this. If again, or if it is week off or holiday, it should return me blank. Guys, this is an amazing trick here what I have added. If it is week off, for sure in the week off there should be no attendance, correct? The attendance should go as blank. And if it is holiday, same, the attendance should go as blank. Understanding my point? Which means on those particular days we don't have any attendance for that individual agent. This totally depends on the individual agent with the individual date guys. Okay, and let me add present here. Okay, now how this formula work? If or function, which means if we find this H2, the attendance column as in week off or else holiday, I should get a blank. You can see here I left this as in blank, or else it should give me I2 divided by 1. Okay, I2, which means present count divided by 1. This is the formula. So this is also done. Now reasons, it's again a conditional formatting guys, manually I have added it. You can also add whatever reasons you want to pull, like planned leave, family emergency, MTL, personal leave, family medical emergency. Okay, same. Now let's go to the next one, which is M, which is month. For month also I created a video. Still, if you want a help, you can use this formula. All this formula I will add it in the description also guys. Iferror text A2 MMM-YYY. If you use this formula, you will get the month with the help of dates. Whatever date you will add, automatically it will convert that into the month. Let's move to the next formula, which is planned leave. Now guys, this is really important, you have to understand this. Now the planned leave will be calculated as if this function, this P, if it is P, I should get 0. If it is unplanned, I should get 0, right? You can see here I'm getting 0. But if it is planned leave, I should get 1. Now again I added the if formula. You can say if P is equal to 0, if it is P, I will get 0. It is absent, I will get 0. If it is planned leave, then I will get 1. Rest all condition, you can see I added that as a 0. Same way we will create a formula for unplanned also. For the unplanned, apart from the unplanned leave and half day leave, everything will goes as 0 guys in the if condition. Okay, in the if condition, everything will goes as 0. Let's move to the overall shrinkage formula. Okay, in the overall shrinkage formula also, it's really easy guys. Whatever attendance we have received, if we minus that with 1, I will get the shrinkage. Example, today my attendance is 80%, then what will be my shrinkage? 20%. But here again I added one condition, that is on if it is week off or holiday, I should get blank, otherwise I will get the attendance. Okay, so in this way the formula worked. If I choose week off, automatically you can see here the overall shrinkage as well as the attendance column move to blank, which means on that day we don't have any attendance basically. Done. So let me again choose this as a present, so that you will get all the information. Okay, present. Next, let's move to the planned shrinkage. Now the planned shrinkage is really easy, simple. N2, which means planned leave divided by 1, you will get the planned shrinkage. Unplanned leave divided by 1. If you do this, you will get the unplanned shrinkage. And I would request, wherever I added the percentage sign, you have to convert this particular number into percentage. If you go on top, you will find the icon of percentage. Just click on that on the respective cell. Automatically it will get converted into percentage. So in this way a report got created guys. Formulas and everything are got created. All the formulas are added in the sheet also. I will try to attach this sheet in the video, and also I will add this in the description also, so that you will get the information very easily. Okay, perfect. Now what I will do is I will just drag all the attendance. Okay, Let me drag this, guys. It will take 1 minute for me and you will find me muted, but let me copy paste everything. I'm choosing all the data and dragging it to the last, because all formula will get copy pasted. It's done. Okay, now let me add some attendance. I will mention like there is one unplanned leave, and in team 2 we have one half day. Let me consider that. Okay, I'm just adding few functions also. See, everything got calculated here. 50% you will get the attendance is 50%. If you move here you will get shrinkage also 50%. You can see here you will get shrinkage also. Sorry, this not got calculated. Just give me 1 minute. Oh, my miss, here it is 50%, and you can see the shrinkage also got calculated as 50%. Everything got calculated. Okay, so this is done. Reasons are all, you can use it manually later on, guys, whenever you need it. So this I have added it for 3rd March, 1st March. Let me add for the, so what you guys have to do here is, considering you started this dashboard on 1st March, now tomorrow any of your team leader just come and update this data here, same below to the today's date. Let me do that. Okay, you can see that I drag this data here, and let me keep date as 2nd March. Okay, 2nd March. So this is also done. On the basis of that, I will add the attendance also, whatever attendance I have. Okay, let me do some more leaves here to give you more clarity. And there might be possible, we are going with the example as Saturday Sunday fixed week off. Okay, done. This is done. Now let me create a dashboard, guys, of these 2 dates. Now what you guys have to do, daily basis you just add your data here and just mark the attendance, and rest formulas drag it out, drag it to the last till what date attendance you guys have. Okay, you here is so every day how we will update the attendance is, so as I informed, I have added data for 1st March, and then I pasted the same head count and update the data for the 2nd March. The same way you will update the data for the 3rd, 4th, 5th every day. Make entire formula remain same, just you have to drag it out, and you have to update the H row, which is as an attendance, guys. You can see here what I have done. Same, I pasted the data for the 2nd March and I have updated the attendance here. Now I will create a dashboard. Let me delete everything here and let me create the dashboard. Okay, let me delete this. Just a minute, it's loading. No worries, no worries, it's okay. It's done. I just want to add one more information in this present column. What happens here is it was not giving me the sum actually. So in the end I just added into 1. You can see here in the formula, in the last I added into 1. So don't miss to add this to get the perfect calculation, guys. I will tell you the perfect calculation during the pivot table. Let me select all the data, Control A, click on insert, click on pivot table, new pivot table. Let me give the name as dashboard. Let me give the name as dashboard in the bottom. It's done. Now what I will do is I will add few cuts here. For an example, I will add like I need team lead wise data. Okay, let me choose team lead. I will choose values like first I need present count. Okay, and you have to choose sum here, guys. If you find count, just convert that to sum. Next I want leave data, how many leaves we have. You can see here at the end account should be 20, right? Because I added 2 days of data. Every team leader have 10 members. So see, the count is matching. Post adding half days and everything here. Make sure you will do convert that to sum. Okay, now let me add one more cut. Okay, let me add one more cut here. That is attendance percentage. Okay, attendance percentage, and attendance percentage I'll take as an average, guys. Okay, because I need the attendance in the average. And what else I needed? I will take planned shrinkage. You can see here planned shrinkage, and let me take this also as an average because it's everything in percentage. That is the reason. Okay, and let me add one more unplanned shrinkage. Then I will add one more column which is known as overall shrinkage. Okay, overall shrinkage, and let me go down and just convert this sum to average because this percentage will give me the answers in average. Okay, where it is? Here it is. It's done. You can see here multiple information we have received. Let me correct the title. Let me make it as present. CNT present. Let me make it as leave. Then let me make it as attendance percentage. Done. And this is plan shrinkage. Done. Now this is unplanned shrinkage. Done. Are you understanding, guys? Like, with the help of the if else formula which we have added in the raw data, automatically everything is getting calculated, everything in the pivot table. Just we have to wisely choose which can be done as in sum and which can be used as an average. Okay, make sure all the percentage related data will be used as average. Now this is done. Let me make it very nicely. Okay, now we can see here our attendance is 18%, which means our shrinkage is 15%. That is matching. If my attendance is 90%, 95%, then my shrinkage is 5%. Here we can also see the bifurcation of the shrinkage: 5% planned, 10% unplanned, which will give me the 50%. Same here, no planned shrinkage, we have 5% unplanned, and it converted. It added in the overall. Let me take this table, Control C, and let me drag it here. Done. And let me give one more cut. Everything remains same, just in the row. In the row, just choose month, week. Let's prepare week wise. Okay, able to receive week wise data here. Okay, let me do one more calculation. Let me drag this team leader to the down. I'll do it. This is also done. Let me drag this to some left. Okay, this is also done. Now what I will do, I will merge these cells here to give some title. Like, I need to give the dashboard view here. That is the reason. Let me merge the cells and let me color it something green or gray. Mention that and mention it at an instant. Okay, let me bring it to center and let me increase the size. Let me bring it to center. Okay, this is done. You can see here I have just, it's up to you guys what kind of design you want to keep and how you want to create the design, guys. It's totally up to you. Okay, so Let me do this once again. Okay, that's it. And what I will do is I added few cuts, and let me add a slicer. Before that I need to validate few things. That is, you can see here my range, it's showing R41. I would suggest you should delete everything and just keep A to R. Okay, reason, whenever you add the data, okay, automatically the dashboard will update here. Whenever you add the data, automatically the dashboard will get update here. Okay, I will show you. Let me drag it to one more last time. Control V. Okay, what I will do here is, consider I added first and second March data, and later on I will add the third March data also. Meantime, I will delete the rest blank cells. Okay, let me delete all the rest blank cells, and whenever I need the data, I will just add the cells, and I will just automatically my dashboard will get update here. Okay, whenever my data get updated. Now let me add the slicers on the data tab. If you click on slicer, we'll get a slicer. It's loading. Yes, and in the slicer, let me choose date wise. Okay, and let me keep it on the top. Okay, now our dashboard is getting ready, guys. Let me copy the same slicer and let me choose the another view, which is LOB wise. If I want to see LOB wise, it's up to us, guys, what kind of cuts we required to show our data. And here I will add one more table. Okay, let me add fast. Control C, and below I will add Control V, and I will make it to LOB wise. In the row I will choose LOB. That's it, we got the 3 cuts. Now rest up to you guys how many cuts you needed, and you can utilize our dashboards. So let me show you either my slicer is working perfectly or not. Let me choose second of March. You can see it's working. Automatically everything got updated. Now you can get the 2nd March attendance. How many present, how many leaves, what is the attendance, what is the planned shrinkage, what is the unplanned shrinkage, everything. Okay, so in this way you can create the attendance dashboard, and I am telling you guys, that's all we required here. That's all, and there is nothing else we needed in terms of our dashboards. Okay, let me go back again to my raw data and let me add one more date. Okay, so what I will do is I will add 20 entries because I have 20 agents. Okay, 20 entry edits, and I'm considering 3rd March is my week off. Okay, let me add the data. Okay, data got added, and let me add. Okay, let me see either it's showing March data or Feb data, because let me set the format. Let me set the format, custom date and time. Okay, 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 done. Okay, let me add 2nd March data. No, let me add 3rd March, 1st March, and 3rd March here. From here I will change the date to 3rd March. It's done. even dragged, and let me change everything as week off. Okay, everything got changed to week off. Let's see how my dashboard will react now. Okay, you can see here all the dates got selected here. Even you can see 3rd March is also available. There is no impact, nothing, everything is really normal. See here, when I have selected 3rd March, which is a weekend, everything gone to 0. No data we have. Understanding my point? And if I select my attendance here, 1st and 2nd March, you can see 36, 4 and 90%. Just do remember this. And if I choose same, it remains same, 36, 4, 90%. No changes. Understanding my point, guys? So in this way you can add week offs and holidays that will not give you any impact if whenever you add the data here. No impact. Okay, so in this way you can create the attendance dashboard, and if I will add all the formulas in our sheets so that you can implement the same. I will try to add this sheet even so that you will get the idea how to prepare this. Now in the dashboard you can also add graphs if you need graphical way representation of your data. Example, let me copy this, let me paste this here, and I only need present and absent details. I just don't need anything else. Workflow wise I just need present and absent details. Let me delete everything. Okay, I'm removing shrinkage, everything, I'm removing everything. Okay, done, it removed. Now I want the data representation in the form of a graph. Okay, you can do that even. Simple. Insert chart. Just click on insert chart. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Yes, you can see here your data is visible. Edit chart, and you can also add customization, and you can add like title axis if you need to add anything. If you want to add legends, vertical axis, grid lines, ticks, anything if you want to add on your access bar, you can add it. And if I do changes anywhere in the table, automatically this also will get changed. Let me make it small. Okay, if I see, let me keep only LOB as workflow 1. Let me only go with workflow 1. If I do that, in the graph you can see only workflow 1 details. Automatically this will also get removed. So now you can implement this chart wherever you need it. So in this way you can create the attendance dashboard. My main agenda here is not on the design. My main agenda here is how to calculate the present, leave, attendance, shrinkage, unplanned shrinkage, overall shrinkage, and to show you the formulas. Because design you can do it, guys. Design is really easy. It just we have to drag our formulas wherever we need it. So still have any doubt, let me know, guys. I will definitely try to help you out, and I would request everyone to please create this attendance tracker, start publish the report. Any doubt, please share your feedbacks, and don't miss to share and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.